Good afternoon all, we are in Chatham in Kent now, working on this BMW 525 diesel, 2005 model. It's high mileage, got about 150,000 miles on the clock. The clients recognise that it's lost power over the last 3 years of ownership. It's a bit sluggish, there's no actual faults on it at all. Done a full diagnostic on it and no issues at all. So we've opted for a 3-stage engine carbon clean to help clean the engine up. That is our chemical clean that basically breaks down the oily gunk and sticky residue within the engine, especially in diesels. Oh, got the wrong one there. And also our injector cleaner, which I haven't got right there actually. Our injector cleaner basically just cleans up the tip of the injectors, ensures a good fuel spray pattern and therefore complete combustion, less carbon in the engine. And we're presently running the hydrogen machine, which is putting hydrogen in through the air intake so that it can break down the carbon inside the engine, basically burn it up, and it'll exit out through the exhaust. Its process with the machine takes half an hour. The overall process takes about 45 minutes to an hour. We're completely mobile, come to you across most of the UK. You can find your local technician at carbon-cleaning.co.uk. Have a great day everybody.